Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved my crochet dreadlocks. Stay tuned to see how I achieved it. Thank you guys so much. Okay guys, so what you see here is I did individual plaits, and that is another tutorial I will upload. This is individual crochet. It's a different technique. So first thing first is I did some cornrows going back, and I didn't know what to do with the hair that started to hang, so I just sewed them up with needle and thread. As you guys can see, I have a piece of thread hanging on my neck. So that's how it looks. You get your needle. For me, whenever I do crochet, I never look in the mirror or anything because I always do it by feel. I just feel it out depending on how thick I want my hair to be. That's what I go for. Okay, so you go ahead and open up the loop. You get it on your needle, close it, and just slide it through. Open up that hole, open it up, and then just pull it through. You're going to do this technique throughout the whole entire process, and that's basically the entire tutorial. So for this look, I used about between 30 to, I would say, 55 individual crochet dreads. That's the most I used. I have a very, very tiny peanut head. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And thank you once again.